Today it's my job to do the steering wheel. The steering wheel has been taken out and we'll be masking the steering wheel so that this section here will be painted white. As you can see, we're still not sprayed the seats yet, but this has turned out to be difficult. Painting fabric with fabric paint. It's great if you've got to paint dark paint over light colours, but doing it the other way around, there's no video on this. All the videos are all dark paint onto light colours, but this is the other way around. And because of that, we need more paint. But Matthew has got the skill, and we'll get it done. What Matthew is doing here is rubbing the fabric down to put one coat of fabric primer. Now he's rubbing it down to get that texture and that smoothness back into the fabric. Once he's done that, we'll put the final coat of paint, white, and we'll try and get it as white as possible. And then as you can see, I've masked everything all up, and that's where the black leather is. So once the black leather masking removed, we should see a nice contrast between the white and the black, which should look nice in Albert. But this is a slow, painful, skillful job. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to see future updates. Bye for now. Okay, this is a quick update with the steering wheel and the seats. Right, the seats are getting sprayed in white fabric paint, which is difficult, but we're going to do it. This is the steering wheel, which I've just finished masking up. This is some details that you don't see because I'm always behind the camera or whatever. But I'm rubbing the leather down to get rid of the contaminants and also to make it smooth. I'm using 2000 sandpaper. And this is going to be all sprayed white, and it's going to look absolutely gorgeous. This is just an update, quick one. Here you go. Take care. You'll see it when it's fitted. Bye for now. Door trim. We're going to have it white, as you can see. But here, this is going to be a red line, and this section is going to remain black. This is the floor, the red line, and the white. The final coat the fabric paint going on. When that dries, we rub it down again, and that will give us a nice smooth fabric texture. You can see the difference between the white and the original colour. Okay, now I'm working on the door trims. These are the door trims that were in Albert. They were black. I'm just putting a prime coat on. Basically ready for the final coat. Over here we've got the final coat, which is here. Looks good. Still a bit on the wet side, but it's dry. Right. And what we're going to do, here there's a plastic strip that goes, it's going to be red, and then this section here is going to be black. So this will be on the floor, so the floor will go black, red, and then followed by the white trim, which will match the bodywork, which is red and white. Bye for now. Right, we've just put one of the door cards in, which we just finished, in white, well, without the red stripe, and that's how the door card looks. flows with the dashboard. And as I said in the previous videos, we're just going to put the red strip across here, and then we put the things in. Now you might be wondering why we're doing a lot on the interior. The reason why we're doing the interior first before we do the outside is because getting the interior in could damage the paintwork on the outside. So that's why we're doing the inside, and then we finish off with the outside. Okay, I'm going to show you one section of the seat finished to give you an idea. There you go. You see the difference between before and after.
Because I go to pencil take color with
that's the black and white.
And here is your color.
And the fabric. It's soft.
Ask him.
But there you go.
How many times
See the difference now?
I check for this color?
So interior is
Ask
nearly,
him.
believe me,
Ask him.
that took a long time to do. My God. Anyway,
I don't say nothing.
that's the latest with the interior. Bye for now.